Maybe 2 weeks ago, I did a little update on these gladiolus in a wash tub, and this stock, this first set right here, was you could feel it coming up way down here. I could feel it starting to, that first raw is starting to come up right down in here. Now, I gave it a good soaking with Comfrey water, liquid fertilizer, and this is what I've got in 2 weeks. So I'm gonna give these a good soak again the second time around with Comfrey and see if we can't push some beautiful flowers out of that, and see what else we get here in the gladiolus in a wash tub. You can look back through this playlist and see this is the bucket to catch, and this is the bucket I had crammed tightly full of Comfrey, drilled holes in the bottom of it, and mix it with water. I'd put maybe half an inch to an inch in this bucket, pour the water in it, and that's the best liquid fertilizer I can find anywhere. There's the Comfrey coming back nice and strong. It'll start to come back as soon as you harvest it, like, well, within a couple of days, especially in the rainy time of the year. This is coming back in nicely, and I'll get I know I'll get at least I can get 2 more, maybe one in the middle of summer, one at fall. So spring, middle of the summer, and fall, I get 3 harvests a year out of it. And we'll be able to see firsthand what it does with these gladiolus.